Hi guys, I am Rebecca and these are my reviews, and I have another BOLZANO bag for you. BOLZANO is a company that makes handbags. This was the last one that I received. You can see it's full of my stuff because I've been using it and I love it. And you can either just buy the bags right off of their website, or you can sign up for their subscription so that you can get a monthly new bag. And they have a questionnaire so that, you know, they try to give you a style that suits you. Okay, so for the bag and the accessories, which is like a small thing of accessories, it's $33.95 a month. You can also sign up for quarterly or yearly. And then they have these new add-ons. They have the purse companions, which is $10 a month, and it's supposed to be like perfume or something, maybe some sort of beauty product. And then you also have the accessories monthly subscription, which is $18.95, and that's not the bag, it's just the accessories. And then I also have a discount code which will get you an extra special gift. I don't know what the gift is, but it's something extra. So let's see what bag they sent me this time. I'm really excited to see this. I'm loving my other one. Okay. Oh, wow. Oh, this is like a big tote thing. Oh, I like this. This would actually be good for travel. I mean, I don't know if I would use this for my daily purse just because it is really big and I'm actually trying to downsize. Let's see. Okay, so we have all of the metal things covered in paper. Let's get rid of those. Okay, there we go, shiny. You have the little bee emblem, and this is little keys. That's interesting. And some accessories. So this is the normal accessories that come with the subscription. And it looks like, and it's a little pair of earrings and a necklace. Those are cute, right? I like those. Okay, and then let's see about this bag. So it's kind of scrunchy on the sides. It does not stretch out. It has what looks like a magnetic closure here. There's a big zipper in the middle. And in the middle must be my purse companions. Is that what they called it? Yeah, purse companions. Okay, what is, let me see. Very curious about this. Okay, so looks like an eyeshadow set. Desi Brilliant Eyeshadows. Okay, all right, so the sponge tip applicator got a little mangled. But this is the eyeshadow set. It actually looks really nice. I like the color scheme and everything. It's a cute little compact. Feels very soft and buttery. Certainly seems pigmented. All right, I'm impressed. I'm really excited to use that. Okay, what else comes in this little box? 2-piece set eye and face beauty blender. Travel Diva, beauty traveling at the speed of bright. Cute, just a tiny one, and then a big beauty blender sponge. They feel, you know, like your typical sponge. I like the shapes of them. Cute. All right, I'll have to test those out and see if I like them. And then what is this? Moisturizing Gel Gloves. Moisturize your hands, soothe and soft. One pair. Oh, wow. Revitalize your hands in 20 minutes. So it's like a mask for your hands. Oh, that is really cool, especially if you have really dry hands. Fun. Well, that's really interesting. Very cool. Okay, let's look at the rest of this bag. Okay, so we have one side that has like a side zipper. Can you see the pattern of the material inside? It's like this silky, what brand looks like this? I swear there's a brand that has that kind of chain. Okay, there's, the middle section is actually quite big, the part with the zipper, and then the sides are a little bit smaller. And this one has the pockets on the side, like for holding, you know, your lipsticks and your phone or whatever, your keys. That's the kind of stuff I always put in these. And then there's some pockets on the side too. Oh, that's what the keys are for. You can lock these. Very cool. I'm telling you, this would be a good travel bag. Or even like a gym bag, super cute gym bag, you know? The bottom of it, you know, it's got like the little nubbins, but it's got that, I don't know, what is that, alligator or something? This is really cool. Nice little duffel. I love it. Fantastic. That's fun. And I love the new add-on thing. That's kind of a fun little touch of, you know, neat accessories and beauty items. I'm loving it. All right, so I will leave all of the information in the description box as well as my code so that you can get a free gift. Somebody will have to let me know what that free gift is. All right, well, thank you guys so much for watching. Definitely check out the description box for all of the information. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.